radical in fractions. The root radical symbol, the radical symbol in fractions, can be represented using exponents. We have radical of the nth power of a, which we can rewrite as a to the power of 1 over n. So we have written our index as a fraction of 1 over n, where n is the index of our radical. The square root of 4 can be rewritten as 4 raised to the power of 1/2, which equals to 2. We have the cube root, so a root with index 3 of 8. So we have rewritten it as 8 raised to the power of 1/3, which equals to 2, because 2 raised to the power of 3 gives us 8.